Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, last night during our live stream, I was alerted to a pretty good deal from Silvermanna. Silvermanna joins our live streams pretty frequently, and Silvermanna was talking about the 2020 10th ounce gold Kookaburra that qualified for the eBay bucks through Modern Coin Mart on eBay. I thought, well, that's pretty good. I did pick one up already, but I thought, I'm picking up another one might not be a bad idea, especially with a discount on it. Now, we don't know for sure, but the mintage on this is only 15,000. And I think this has the potential to be something special, not 2019 reverse enhanced proof American Silver Eagle special, but certainly these have the possibility of going up in value. So as you can see here, I've got two of them pulled up. And what's interesting is if you go to Liberty Coin, Liberty almost always has eBay buck specials on their stuff. But they're not offering eBay bucks on this one. I'm sure they have their reasons. But this one here, Modern Coin Mart, they are offering the eBay bucks. Let's take a look at this. Here's the webpage. 2020 P Australia 1/10 ounce gold Kookaburra, $15. It's $15 face value on the coin. Over here is Modern Coin Mart. And you can see that indeed there is eBay bucks on it. Now you have to be qualified for eBay bucks. Some people are, some people aren't. Right now I did get the offer. It goes through Christmas night at midnight, I believe, midnight Pacific Standard Time. So as you can tell, $17.51 off of this price. Now this isn't going to be a below spot or anything, but as you know, 10th ounce gold coins usually come with a premium. And so this gets us down pretty nice, and especially for a gold coin that does have potential to someday maybe go up in value. So let's get the calculator out. Let's just put it over the top of this ad that keeps popping up. And let's see what kind of deal we can get now. As you know, this will change with the price of gold. Right now, gold just went up to over $1,500 an ounce. Let me take a quick look here. According to JM Bullion, gold is $1,501.76. So yeah, there's been some increases today for sure. Silver's up to $1,784. It is Christmas Eve day. So right before Christmas, our precious metals are shooting up there. So let's take a look at what this works out to. So if we take 175 and 09 and we subtract 17.51, we are going to get this for $157.58. And so if it was spot, it would be $150.18. So that's minus 150.18. So yes, we're getting this 10th ounce Kookaburra for just $7.40 over spot. And if you multiplied that out, that would be, $70 if you bought an ounce of it. But still, everybody knows that a tenth of an ounce you pay a premium on. And I think this has good potential. So if you're going to be able to get it just $7 over spot for a tenth of an ounce gold coin, I don't think this is a bad deal. Now, this isn't a great deal. It's not below spot or something you have to go right out and get right now. But I think if you consider the price along with the potential, it's actually pretty good. I know I bought this coin already when Monument Metals first put it out, and I believe Monument had it for $168 at the time. So it looks like it's already going up in price. Probably as they continue to sell, it's going to continue to go up. It's fairly common with these coins that have limited mintage on them. So and you can see up here as well that they've got 35 of them available and they've sold 11 of them. So I just thought it was a pretty good deal to pick up if you're interested in one. It is Christmas Eve day and I'm sure budgets are pretty well used up by this point. But not a bad way to get some good gold for a good price. And who knows what this is going to end up being. But I don't know, I'm willing to spend $7 over spot to take a chance on it. And if nothing else, you've got yourself another 10th ounce of gold. And that's always nice to have. And as you can see over here, this is 999, that's 4 nines gold. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? That's it for now. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. And thanks Silvermanna for giving us that heads up during our live stream last night. That's pretty cool, because I would not have known about it had it not been mentioned there. So take care, everybody. Merry Christmas. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.